Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy chicken. First, understand that achieving truly crispy chicken involves a few critical steps. We'll focus on brining for moisture, double dredging for a thick coating, and precise frying temperatures. These elements work together to create that perfect crunch you crave. Brining is essential for tender, flavorful chicken. Prepare a simple brine with water, salt, and a touch of sugar. Submerge your chicken pieces and let them soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight. Before moving on, it is vital to thoroughly pat the chicken dry to ensure a crispy crust. The double dredging technique is key to that irresistible crunch. First, create a well-seasoned flour mixture. Dip each chicken piece into buttermilk, then into the flour, repeating this process once more. Make sure to press the coating firmly onto the chicken to create a thick, even layer. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal crispiness. Fry chicken in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan, until each piece is a beautiful golden brown. This ensures even cooking and a consistently crunchy exterior. Remember to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.